Hey everyone, welcome to our first video. This is just going to be an intro video, so it's kind of short. I just want to go over a few things that happened today. She had her 2-month checkup, and she got her 2-month shots, so she had quite a few shots today. Overall, the past couple of days, she's been a little bit fussy. We're still trying to figure out what's going on with her. She weighed 6 pounds 6 ounces today, which is almost triple her birth weight in about 2.5 months. I did want to go over a few things about the page. I know the page is misspelled for her, so we are looking into possibly starting a new page. It's going to be more of a family-oriented, like our daily lives, including her page. That's what we'll go through, me uploading all these videos and everything else after we get it going. It'll take a couple days for us to go through and make sure that's what we want to do, and to go through and get it all set up and everything. We'll give you guys just a little more information in the next couple days regarding what's going on with that. For right now, these videos, we're going to try to do at least a couple a week. I don't think we can handle, daily videos right now. But we will definitely be trying to go through and do a couple videos each week. That way you guys can keep your eye on Liviana and watch her grow along with us. Like I said, right now this is just the intro video, so it was kind of short. So that's really all we got right now. Like I said, there'll be more information coming in the next couple days, and we'll talk to you guys then. Bye.